all the snow from last week's storm is pretty much gone after the weekend warm-up.
That's the good news, but as Matt mentioned, now the concern shifts to possible flooding in certain areas. WLKY's Tim Elliott joins us now live from New Albany with everything we need to know about this. Tim, what are you seeing where you are?
Well, right now, Jennifer, we're standing on Water Street in New Albany. This is one of two different roads that are closed here in the city of New Albany. You can see the sign behind me, High Water Road closed. Now, this situation is playing out in a lot of different places in our area. Officials have been keeping a close eye on the water levels all weekend long, and they will continue to do so as we head into this week. You know, all that snow melts, and it really has to go somewhere, so flooding now becomes the focus. Here in New Albany, the flood level of the river was at, or I should say the water level was at 54 feet yesterday. It's expected to get close to 57 feet. Now, people are being told that if they come across a sign like this, they're out there driving, they see any standing water in the road, do not try to cross that, turn around and go the other way. I was just in Corydon last week, and they were dealing with some flooding issues before the snowstorm, and one person got caught trying to cross a submerged road, and they needed to be rescued. So for many residents here in New Albany, though, flooding concerns are a normal thing this time of the year.
It has to end up somewhere, and it's going to be a problem for people, you know. But in low-lying areas.
Now, we also spoke with New Albany Mayor Jeff Gahan over the weekend. He tells us that over the past year and a half, they've updated 15 of the city's 19 water pumps, so that is the good news. He says it's not an overly big concern for them, but they are keeping a close eye on the water levels. Reporting live from New Albany, Tim Elliott, WLKY News.